In this video, we will do a detailed review of Norton, one of the oldest and top-rated antivirus software brands available out there. From features and pricing to anti-malware protection and system performance, we will cover everything in this ultimate Norton review. Also, we will tell you which antivirus product is the best option these days and how you can get a special 50% discount on that. So keep watching. But before we begin our video, we would like to ask you a small favor. We have put in a lot of time and effort into creating this video so that you can choose the best antivirus product without wasting your time. Do you know that over 10 billion malware attacks were recorded worldwide last year? Similarly, 187.9 million ransomware attacks and 34.3 million attacks targeting the Internet of Things, IoT devices, also surfaced during the same period. Estimates also suggest that cybercrimes will cost the world $6 trillion annually by 2021. Yes, you heard that right, $6 trillion. It is equal to a third of the US GDP and double the combined market value of Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, the world's top 3 companies by market capitalization. These figures are big and intimidating. You may be thinking, it's impossible to keep myself and my family safe from digital threats these days. Well, you'd be right if antivirus programs didn't exist. When it comes to choosing an antivirus program for your computer or smartphone, many companies offer free antivirus products. These freebies are a great way to get the hang of an antivirus program. However, they don't work in the long run, as they lack advanced features such as a full-fledged password manager, VPN, parental controls, file encryption, identity theft protection, coverage for multiple devices, etc. Also, most freeware programs out there don't offer multi-layered protection against malware threats. So, only a premium antivirus product can give you the highest level of anti-malware protection and performance, so we highly recommend a premium security suite, if you can afford it. It will provide you and your family complete peace of mind knowing that your data, privacy, and identity are in safe hands. If you are in a hurry and don't have time to watch the entire video, check out the links in the description below to get a special 50% discount on Norton. This discount is only valid if you buy through the links given in the description section of this video. Also, if you're wondering which antivirus product is our #1 choice these days, it's Bitdefender. During the past few months, we have reviewed, ranked, and rated more than 50 antivirus suites from the biggest names in cybersecurity, including Avast, Avira, AVG, Malwarebytes, ESET, Webroot, McAfee, Sophos, and more. We did this so you can confidently choose the best antivirus software to protect yourself and those you love. Currently, we think that Bitdefender is the best antivirus software your money can buy. Bitdefender's products not only boast advanced features, they also provide exceptional anti-malware protection without slowing down your system, as evident from the recent lab tests conducted by reputable independent labs, such as AV-Test and AV-Comparatives. We believe that Bitdefender Total Security, which is the company's flagship product, is the best premium antivirus suite available in the market. It has all the advanced features and utilities you can ask for. Also, it offers excellent value for money. With just a single subscription of this product, you can protect up to 5 devices, including PCs, Macs, or smartphones. If you need protection for more than 5 devices, we highly recommend the Family Pack Suite. It has the same features as Total Security product, but covers up to 15 internet-capable devices in your household, so your family devices will be covered under this plan. The links to all these products are in the description section of this video. You can get a special 50% discount on Bitdefender if you act now. The sale may not be available in the future, so better act fast. Bitdefender also offers a solid 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk. Try the software and see how it goes. If you change your mind later, you can always ask for a full refund. Now, let's get back to our Norton review. In our antivirus reviews, we rank and rate each antivirus brand on 5 different criteria. Based on the assessments, we give each brand a score ranging from 1 to 5, with 5 being the highest score for each aspect. The first section is features. Here, we take a look at all the features offered by each brand. The second aspect we consider is malware protection, which is an assessment of how well a security software protects you against different types of malware threats. Number 3 is system performance, which measures how each software impacts system performance, or your computer's speed. Number 4 is user interface. In this section, we analyze whether a software offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface. The fifth aspect is pricing. Here, we see how each brand prices its products and how many devices it covers under different pricing tiers. So, let's begin. Let's review Norton's products. Norton's entry-level product is Antivirus Plus. This package offers a protection tool powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning that prevents ransomware, spyware, viruses, and other types of malware from affecting your device. Online threat protection that keeps away cybercriminals from stealing your private and financial information and protects your device against newly emerging sophisticated online threats. 2 GB automatic cloud backup that gives you an additional layer of security in case you lose your laptop, its hard drive fails, or a hacker encrypts your data using ransomware. A smart firewall that protects your data by keeping an eye on network traffic. A single license of this product covers one PC or Mac. The company's next tier of coverage comes with the 360 standard product. This suite offers everything from the previous suites, plus a password manager that keeps all your passwords safe and lets you manage all your logins through a single master password. Norton's SafeCam protection that prevents cybercriminals from taking control of your webcam. The bad guys have used compromising photos of people stolen from webcams for blackmail or extortion. The SafeCam tool blocks unauthorized webcam access to your PC. 10 GB automatic cloud backup. A limited VPN that encrypts your internet connection and protects you from attacks when you use a public or shared Wi-Fi network. A single license of the 360 standard suite covers one PC and one Mac or one smartphone. Next up is Norton 360 Deluxe Suite, which offers everything from the previous suites along with some additional features. These include 50 GB cloud storage space where you can save your essential data, the secure VPN utility for a secure, anonymous web browsing experience, and Norton's robust parental controls that give a safe online environment to your kids. Norton Parental Control can help you track what websites your children visit, what videos they watch, apps they download, and the terms they search for when they are online. The tool also offers GPS location monitoring so that you know where your kids are right now. A single license of the 360 Deluxe plan covers up to 5 devices. These can be PCs, Macs, smartphones, or tablets. The most robust product from the company is Norton 360 Deluxe with LifeLock Select. This product offers everything that comes with the previous suites, plus you get the LifeLock Identity Alerts system that notifies you via text, phone, email, or mobile app for a wide range of potential threats to your identity. The Stolen Wallet Protection feature that helps you cancel or replace valuable belongings like credit cards and driver's licenses in case you lose your wallet. The $1 Million Protection Package that provides cover for personal expenses you incur and money stolen as a result of identity theft. The cover depends on the limit of your plan. Norton will also provide lawyers and experts up to $1 million if needed to help resolve your case. Data breach notifications that alert you if any organization that stores your private data faces a large-scale data breach. The Social Security Number (SSN) and Credit Alerts tool lets you know if identity thieves open a new credit card, cell phone plan, or auto loan in your name. It also helps you in neutralizing the threat before anything untoward happens. The ID verification monitoring that alerts you if a company is trying to verify your identity to ensure it is you. 100 GB cloud backup also comes as part of this suite. So, you've seen that Norton's products offer one of the most comprehensive feature sets in the industry. Norton's features offer multifaceted protection to keep you and your family safe from all sorts of digital threats. Overall, we give Norton a full 5 out of 5 score in the features section. Next, we'll look at the malware protection capability of Norton. As cyber attacks become more and more sophisticated, a modern antivirus has to offer multiple layers of protection to outsmart the bad guys. However, malware protection remains one of the primary jobs of a security program. Let's find out how Norton fares in the recent independent tests conducted by reputable third-party labs like the AV Test Institute and AV Comparatives. The AV Test evaluates each antivirus brand in 3 different categories. These are protection, performance, and usability. Third-party labs conduct tests every 2 months and issue ratings on a scale of 1 to 6, with 6 being the highest score. In the protection test, it evaluates antivirus products against thousands of zero-day and widespread malware samples. In the latest protection evaluation, Norton received a perfect 6 out of 6 score, indicating excellent anti-malware capabilities. When it comes to protection against zero-day malware attacks, including web and email threats, Norton detected 100% of all the 331 samples used in the AV test evaluation. And when it comes to detecting widespread and prevalent malware discovered in the last 4 weeks leading to the test, Norton detected all of the 20,428 samples used. So, it was an impressive performance by Norton by all measures. AV Comparatives is another testing organization that evaluates various antivirus programs on different levels and awards them a rating. In its latest real-world protection test, which measures an antivirus program's ability to block infected files and URLs, AV Comparatives gave Norton the highest possible 3-star Advanced Plus award, which is incredible. Another similar test conducted by AV Comparatives is the malware protection test, which includes the execution of malicious files on the system. In this evaluation, once again, Norton clinched the prestigious 3-star Advanced Plus award. Norton's performance was exceptional in this category, as it achieved perfect scores in all 3 critical tests. So, we give Norton another 5 out of 5 ratings for its outstanding malware protection capabilities. Next, we will see how much impact Norton puts on system performance, which is another crucial factor to consider while examining an antivirus product. Apart from handy features and excellent malware protection, reliable antivirus software should not affect system performance while running its operations in the background. First, we'll consider AV Test's performance evaluation, which uses different routine operations to gauge the influence antivirus programs put on a computer. In the latest performance test, Norton notched the highest possible score of 6 out of 6. However, in a similar performance test conducted by AV Comparatives, Norton received a lower 2-star Advanced Award, which is the second highest rating given by the testing organization. So, based on the 2 performance tests, we give Norton 4 out of 5 scores in this category. After protection and performance, now we'll turn our attention to Norton's user interface. An antivirus program having a set of useful features with excellent protection and performance capabilities also requires a friendly interface because it significantly affects the way we interact with the software. Norton uses a straightforward interface, which works equally well on PCs and mobile devices. When you open the software, the main dashboard that you land on is the security area. Here, you can see your PC's protection status, run scans, see your license information, etc. A big green check mark at the top of the window suggests that you are good to go, as your PC is protected. You can expand the screen to go through other key features present at the bottom. These tabs include Identity, Backup, Performance, and more Norton. Clicking on any tab will unveil its options on the main window. For instance, the Performance section displays a live count of overall Norton CPU usage and CPU system usage. On the whole, Norton's interface is intuitive and logical, and even new users can get the hang of it pretty quickly. We give Norton a full 5 out of 5 points in this category. Now let's see how Norton prices its products. Pricing is considered as one of the significant deal breakers when it comes to purchasing an antivirus program. Usually, people don't buy a product if it's too pricey, even if it's outstanding in other areas. So, let's take a look at Norton's pricing structure. Norton Antivirus Plus, the entry-level paid software offered by the company, costs $19.99 annually for the first year, which means a discount of $40. A single license of the package covers 1 PC or Mac. Norton 360 Standard, the company's flagship product, carries a price tag of $29.99 per year. This plan covers 1 PC, 1 Mac, or 1 smartphone or tablet. If you want similar protection for all your family with parental controls and additional cloud storage, you can go for Norton 360 Deluxe. This package costs $39.99 per year for new users and offers protection for up to 5 PCs, Macs, smartphones, or tablets. Norton 360 with LifeLock Select, which entails all of Norton's powerful protection tools including identity theft protection, costs $89.99 per year. It offers protection for up to 5 PCs, Macs, smartphones, or tablets. In this section, Norton gets a 3 out of 5 score from us. Although Norton's packages are affordable, you can cover more devices for less money if you go with other top-notch antivirus providers, such as Bitdefender or McAfee. So that's the end of this Norton review. As we have said before as well, right now, we think that Bitdefender is the best antivirus product available in the market. It's the only product that got perfect scores from us in all the categories. and it regularly gets outstanding ratings from top independent labs as well. Overall, the Total Security Suite represents excellent value for money. It offers all the advanced features and utilities that must be there in a high-end package. And best of all, you can cover up to 5 devices with just a single license of this suite. These devices can be PCs, Macs, smartphones, or tablets, in any combination. If you have more than 5 devices in your household, you should go for the Family Pack suite. It will cover up to 15 devices at a fairly reasonable cost. You can get an exclusive 50% discount on Bitdefender only if you buy the software using these links. Remember that the sale is going to end soon, so act now to avail the offer. So if you are already a Norton user, which feature or aspect of the antivirus software do you like the most? If you are not a Norton user, on a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to switch to Norton in the near future, with 1 being not likely at all and 10 being highly likely? Do leave us a comment below. We reply to all comments, and we may also include your feedback in our next video.